going on, dickweeds?
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
That's better. Hey? Fucking rights. Bloop.
Hey, before we go any further, that sound that you heard, that was the furnace. That was the heat shutting off. In case you didn't know, we...
Today's Saturday. You should know that. But if you didn't, Donna's here to tell you.
It's Saturday.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget your mother's a whore.
And your father's a gigolo.
Fucking prick. We got a few clips today. We'll save the best one for later.
Yeah.
The first clip, well, yeah, we should probably start off with a clip. We're going to start out with a clip. In a minute. A minute or three. I'm drinking, which way's I guess it's the same on both sides?
Yeah.
Fuck! Hey? I said both sides. I'm drinking Laker Ice beer. What bum beer is all about. Hey? Fucking rights. And Donna's on...
That's the last of it.
She's on the last of the rum. Brandy. She's drinking brandy. I thought it was rum. She's drinking brandy. With... something.
Lemonade.
Lemonade. It looks like Swish.
It does.
Okay. Hang on. Okay, so, yeah, let's start. Did I say what the clips are yet? No, eh?
No.
Sorry, I'm a little bit off right now. I've been on these since I got up this morning and hitting the stack, and I just can't think. Donna had me bringing out garbage for the spring cleanup, which we'll get to later. We're going to talk about that later. Okay, last night, what time was it? 12? I thought it was around 10.
No, it was around 10. It was like 20 to 12.
Okay, well, around 20 to 12, we got our first bear in the yard. First one of the year. It's only a cub. And we only got black bears around here, but this bear didn't look black. What?
Healthy. Oh, you look...
Well, he looked healthy.
Like you didn't have no fur, it looked like.
Well, I think he had fur. She says he didn't have fur, But I think he did. I just think it's not as black as all the other bears.
Like he's a brown bear? Like... Do we have brown bears?
I don't know. I thought we only had black bears around here, but maybe there's brown bears too. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to show you cocksuckers the clip and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Is it bald like she says? Or is it just like not as black as all the other bears that... See, we filmed bears all last summer. Same camera, that Donna's ring cam. And they always come in black the way they're supposed to look.
Yeah, with the... You know, the beat, like the nose part is sand color.
This bear didn't look like that. But you can tell it's a bear. You know?
Yeah, like you can see the little nub on his bum.
Okay. Enough talk. Here's the fucking bear clip. Check it out. Anyway, leave a comment down below and let us know what you think about the bear. Does he look fucked, or does he look regular, or I don't know. I don't know what to say. Enough about the bear. Let's move on. Tomorrow, I have to go to my brother Billy's house because we're gonna be me and a few of my brothers are going to be dividing up my dad's stuff. Well, not really dividing it up, I guess. Whoever wants something is just going to like take it. And yeah, so we got to do that tomorrow. Maybe I'll take you guys along. I don't know. The jizz just went out the front door, so if the microphone fucked up, don't blame me, blame the jizz. Okay, anyway, so tomorrow we gotta go and divide up, like, stuff, or, well, not divide it up, but, like, you know what I fucking mean. My dad's got a trailer full of stuff, and it's gotta be emptied, and I think everybody gets the picture. Let's move on. I might take you cocksuckers with us tomorrow. It depends, though. Not everybody wants to be filmed. Some of my brothers are like, I don't know. How do you say it, Donna? Some of them are crybabies. Okay. Donna went somewhere this morning. I don't know where. You were out and about. Where'd you go?
Get the beer.
Oh yeah, to get the beers.
And to get duct tape.
Duct tape.
And light bulbs.
And light bulbs. And while she was out, she seen bums all over.
Charlie's stretching.
Yeah, if you guys hear that groaning sound, that's Charlie the Labradoodle. He does a lot of stretching and groaning.
Yeah, I was like around 9:30 because I had a different plan. But anyways, I left at 9:30 and there were so many of them in the parking lots, like all looking for the same fucking shit, cigarette butts. Except
dirty fucking cigarette butts.
There's so many of them. They were like everywhere. There was standing on the corners with their jean jackets on, you know, laughing, having
jean jackets.
Yeah.
Huh.
You know.
Yeah.
So I don't know. There was more people. There was more of them in the fucking parking lot than there was cars.
Yeah. More bums than cars.
Yeah.
That all you had to say about the bums?
Yeah.
Okay. I got a story here. And that's all. So let's get to the spring cleanup thing. Hey? Okay. So today me and Donna went and put some garbage at the end of the driveway. And lots of people came rolling up. Some people with trailers that were like...
packed.
Yeah, they were like tall trailers.
Yeah.
With you could see garbage sticking out, like all the shit they've collected from other fucking neighborhoods. And we were going to show you guys that, but then as Donna was downloading a video off the ring cam of a couple people throwing stuff into
Yeah, I was there and Ed was in here. And I said, Ed, turn on the ring cam, turn it on.
Yeah, and I did. Well, we're not there yet, Donna.
Oh, okay.
She's jumping ahead. So fucking... We were going to show you guys, like, the people with the big trailer, and they had a bunch of garbage, like, just piled out the top. It was overflowing. Donna downloaded it, but then this other couple pulled up, and we decided to get rid of the other clip that we had for you, and we kept the one of this couple here. And the reason we kept this clip to show you guys is because the guy was going through the stuff, you know, like taking things he wanted, which, you know, whatever, take what you want, right? It's garbage. But his old lady, I think it's his old lady, maybe it wasn't, but I think it was, because I think it was.
She was with him.
Yeah, she was dressed like weird, and she had an HDMI cable around her neck, like hanging over her neck, you know. And she walked up to our garbage, and there was a mirror. There is a mirror out there, a broken mirror, and she stood it up, and she stood back, looking at herself, and she took the HDMI cable off her neck. And she plugged it into her own arse.
Keep going.
But just let that sink in for a second. She plugged an HDMI cord into her own arse.
There's two angles of this.
Ah!
And she takes it. She puts it back over her neck and she starts going like this with it. And then
she started to pose.
Yeah,
in the
like
mirror.
she was like...
She was posing in the mirror. I mean, it was all pretty fucked. But she plugged an HDMI cable into her own arse.
Well, when we were watching, like, on the one camera, right, where, like, because we seen, like, her arm go around her like this, and we were like, what the fuck is she doing?
Yeah, at first it looked like she's just picking her ass.
But then we went on...
Getting a good arse picking in.
We went on this camera, right?
Somebody's calling me. I'll call them back later.
We went on this camera, and that's when we seen where the HDMI cord...
Yeah. So anyway, I am going to... That thing's bothering me, Donna. Oh, it's done now. Okay, so... Yeah. So we got two clips. We got the angle from the tree going down the driveway, and we also got the one from the front tree that faces, like...
Down that way.
That way.
This way.
So what we'll do is we'll show you the driveway angle going down, where you can actually see her plug the fucking cable into her own arse. And then after that, it's going to go from that view to the other camera, because we're not going to keep coming back, and because this is just retarded now. So let's, like, we don't want to just keep on.
Yeah, this is, well, you'll see both clips, and then...
Yeah, you'll see both clips. First it'll be one angle, but then we'll give you a close-up angle on the tree.
Yeah, because...
And you can see a little... Well,
you can see the posing and stuff.
Yeah, you can see the posing a little bit better. Just hang on, though. I'm gonna get in a bong toke first before we jump to the video. I meant before we jump to the video clip. Hey?
Clips.
I meant before we jump to the video clips. Okay, here's the clips. What class? Donna was saying that's what the classy ladies of Timmins looks like.
You're just kidding.
You're just kidding.
I'm just making a joke.
Donna, what's your sleeve there?
I know, it's not anywhere.
Jeez.
It's up. Like this. Anyways.
I'm just gonna show them what you're doing over there. See, that's what Donna's doing. But she was getting her sleeve and everything.
I
at
wasn't
first.
getting my sleeve in anything.
Yeah, she was dragging it through.
I wasn't dragging any.
She dragged it right through the tray.
No, I didn't.
Okay, well.
Anyways, that was freaking. I've never seen that in my damn life.
No, I've never seen a full-grown woman plug in HDMI. I've never seen a full-grown woman plug an HDMI cable in her arse before.
And pose and
then pose after. Kind of reminded me of Donna.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Okay. What else you want to say about it, Donna?
I don't know. That's I don't know. How are you like? You know, where the hell are the ride checks? You know.
I don't think she was the driver.
It don't matter if she was the driver. Could you imagine pulling over somebody like that? She couldn't keep fucking still. You're fucking pulling up her. You see how fucking thin she was? She just wore all those baggy clothes like a homeless lady. Like the bag lady.
I didn't really pay much attention to her. Okay, are we done with that?
Yeah.
Anyway, leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think about the HDMI lady. So I have a story.
Oh, I'm drinking this now. If anybody cares.
Tell them all about it, Donna.
It's Black Fly Strawberry Margarita.
Yeah, and hold it up. Show them. It looks like this.
It looks like this. That's all it. It just looks like that.
Yeah, and there's your fucking label. Is it coming in? I don't know if it's coming in or not. No, maybe because there you go. We gotta block Donna's face. And I don't know if it even says anything that you guys would want to read anyway. Just a bunch of bullshit, really. Donna, move your face. Like, yeah, there you go. He keeps trying to focus in on her face, and anyway, that's what she's drinking. Okay, my story. So today I asked the Jizz to go to the store for me and grab me a bag of Sun Chips. I wanted the French onion ones, you know, the green bag. But they didn't have it at the Circle K over here where we live. So he got me these ones right here. And I got to thinking about when Sun Chips first came out. Back in the 90s. I looked it up today. It was actually 1991. So, in 1991, I was at my buddy Pat's house. This was in Esther, Ontario. It's just outside of Sudbury, Ontario. Anyway, I was over visiting him, and we went over to the Cedar Chuckwagon. That's a convenience store that was across the street from his house. And there was a girl working there. I guess I don't want to tell her name. Anyway, there was a girl working there. I shouldn't say her name. Anyway, it's when Sun Chips first came out. The Cedar Chuckwagon, they had a big bowl of them at the cash, like a great big fucking bowl, and you could sample them, and if you liked them, you could buy a fucking bag. It was the new big thing, right? But me and Pat, we were eating them as she was putting them in the fucking bowl. We were finishing the fucking bowls off, like we were eating them like they were going Uda style. Hey, the French onion ones, the green bag. Anyway, that's why how do you say it? That's why I remember this story that I'm about to tell you guys. It was because of the chips and the Cedar Chuckwagon, and the girl that was working there. She used to always say to all of us dudes, well, she'd offer to suck our fucking cocks for, well, she'd give us $7. No, not me though, not like that. But she would offer. She'd say, I'll pay you $7 to, you know, blow you. She'd say, pretty much. And this is the girl that was working at the Cedar Chuckwagon. And me and my buddy would always say, like, no. Like, you know, like she was like way bigger than us. Like she was like double our height and everything. Like, and real goofy looking. But we had this other buddy. He was around once in a while too when she'd say that. And yeah, all I could say is, well, the reason that she'd give $7 is because that's how much a pack of cigarettes were, right? And she was like always in heat, like always. So anyway, this one buddy, not my buddy Pat, but another buddy I had, he always had cigarettes.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, he would always let her. She'd pay him $7 and go to town on him, and he'd go and buy a pack of cigarettes.
Why would you pay somebody though?
Well, she was a pig. Anyway, the Sun Chips reminded me of
that story.
Yeah, because like that's the time Sun Chips came out. Yeah. I'm sure everybody knows somebody in their neighborhood that's a pig like that when you were growing up. Knew somebody, I mean. Or if you're growing up now, you probably know somebody. You know, I don't know. Anyway, it was a very good story, but I figured I would fucking...
Tell it?
Yeah, I was going to tell it because why not? Okay, now it's your turn, Donna. You tell us a story.
Oh, got one. I don't have a story.
You don't have no story.
No.
Anything happen?
No.
Oh.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's chilly today. That's why we got the heat on. Well, it's not on now, but it was on.
Yeah, it's cold today. Like it's...
Well, I don't know about cold, but it's...
Like 3 and 4 is not warm.
If you're going to be outside, you're going to want to wear a sweater. Right?
Yeah.
Or a jacket.
Fucking cops last night, 2:30 in the fucking morning. Fucking being all nosy twice on the street.
Yeah, they drove around here snooping.
Yeah, I wonder why.
I
You know, they never come. You don't really see them over on this little street. You know what I mean?
They're looking for something, for someone.
Yeah. Something was going on. It couldn't have been that little bear, because that bear wouldn't have got into anything.
No, we seen him fucking off later on, going back that way towards the bush. So I don't think it was the bear. Cool and refreshing.
Do you want some of these?
No,
I
you
left
can.
you some.
No, yeah. Let me see. Donna left me some chips. Look it. See? That's what Donna saves me. Hopefully you guys can see in there. That is what Donna saved me. You can keep them.
Well, I thought you would want a little bit for if you were telling your story, you know, like...
So you saved me some crumbs. No, I'm good. I'm good. No, you can have your fucking crumbs.
Okay,
You know, sometimes I'll go over to the cupboard and I'll see a little bag of chips like that rolled up. And when you look at it, that's all she'll have in it. And it's sitting in the cupboard. Like, what are you fucking saving it for?
Oh.
What's going on?
What's up?
Justin?
No.
Michael?
We're
We're filming on YouTube right now. What do you got for me here? What's that?
This?
Yeah.
Beer?
Oh, you brought beer. Okay, well, give me a few minutes and we'll have some beer.
Okay, well, what's that for smoke?
The gazebo's on the... Yeah, just go to... There's a picnic table in the back. Okay, what was I saying, Donna? I don't fucking remember. We told...
Oh!
What?
The stuff in the little bags of chips in the cupboard. Rolled up. Find them in there.
Oh yeah, Donna will roll up little bags of chips like that with that amount in there and leave them in the cupboard like, you know, like somebody's gonna fucking go looking for them later. Say, you know, I'll eat these with my fucking video that I'm watching. Like, just throw them the fuck away if you're not gonna eat them.
Sometimes I get a little bit carried away in the bag, and then I think, oh, well, maybe I would like a little bit.
And she means a little bit when like she's not joking. A little bit. Anyway, yeah, our oldest son Michael just showed up. Did you know he was coming? I didn't know he was coming, but he's here with a big bag of beer, so
Time to go.
it's time for us to fuck off, you know. So, you got anything else that you want to say? Anything else you want to talk about?
No.
You're slipping into the screen again,
Oh.
Donna.
No.
No.
The only other thing that's not out there, and I said to Ed, good thing it wasn't, I've a mattress set that has to go out.
Yeah, the Jizz has a bunch of old shit that from when he used to live here, like an old bed and...
Yeah, but I have to, you have to plastic wrap it. I have only one
Yeah.
plastic wrap, but can you imagine?
Yeah, the
if
city
that-
won't take it unless it's wrapped, so...
But can you imagine that lady if she would have fucking sat down on the mattress on the bed?
Yeah. You never know. Anyway, we don't want to keep you guys too long. It's Saturday. You guys probably have some parties to get to or something. And if you don't, well, I don't know.
Start a little.
Have your own party.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing. We're having our own party. Sort of. Anyway, I got my road toke ready.
Yeah, beard weeders.
Yeah, we got jumbo hot dogs on. We're gonna have jumbo hot dogs and beers and weeds and
Stuff like that.
yeah. And then later on I'll go and check out the contents of Donna's ham wallet. Maybe slip a little something in there.
Oh my God, Eddie!
What?
Are you gonna say things?
Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna get in my road toke and Donna's gonna get in some final words.
Stay happy and stay safe and be kind. Enjoy your Saturday. Have a good day and your evening or whatever you get a chance to watch this. And I don't know. Be safe. Be safe out there and have fun. And that's it.
Yeah, be safe out there and have fun, and that's it. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Alright. I guess that's all we got for today. We'll be back to talk with you cocksuckers again tomorrow. Cigarette holder, everybody.
We're out!
W. A diamond. Lesbians.
I think I'll have a chip. That was the big one I was saving you.
That was the big one. You fucker.
Uh-huh.
No, I don't want none. I don't want any Donna. Why are you giving everybody the finger for?
It's time to go.
It's time to go.